guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning! And English willkommen sa aking YouTube channel. Happy Tuesday! Hello, hello! Anyway, kanina pa ako gising. Siguro mga 7, something like that. But, yeah. 7, kasi 7 yung alarm ng phone ko eh. Tapos, ayun, nagkikahiga pa ako. Ayusin ko lang tong higaan ko. Ang aming bed. Tapos, ayun, mag-almusal tayo. Hello guys. Anyway, nakapag-ano na ako, nakapag-suklay na ako ng buhok, something like that. And let's make a coffee. Dagdagan ko lang ng tubig to guys. Hanggang sa huling palagi. Let's open it. And we're going to have a coffee. Anyway, wala akong lagayan ng kape. Sorry, hello po. I-refill ko na ito lahat. Ito na lang yung natira sa kape namin. Ano talaga ito guys? Ano talaga? Butil-butil. Ayan, ganyan. Sarang aking baso. Let's have a coffee. Hanggang sa huli palagi. Meron ba akong milk? Ito na lang. Ilang percent ba ito? Ang dami pala nitong fat nito. 10% fat. Kasi nabili ako 3%. Ang daming fat. Ang daming fat mo, sis. Tapos, magtutupi ako ng aking mga sinupay. Sasagit lang ako ng auntie. This is it. Natira ito sa ano. So, nagluto ako ng sopas. Kasi hindi ganun kadami yung sopas na niluto ko. Kaya, hindi ko siya inubos. Ooh, baby. Sarap. So, magkakape lang ako guys. Tapos magtupi. Good morning. So, ayun yung aking tupiin, di ba? Yung aking sinampay. So, yeah.
Kann ich jetzt nicht lesen. Komm an der Straße, wo ich vorher gewohnt habe. Ach, wie schön. Ja, sagt, die ist aber falsch, sag ich. Dann wohne ich aber nicht. Nee. Er sagt, dann müssen wir mal gucken, ob sie jetzt einen neuen kriegen oder ob die das einfach so lässt. Ja.
My lunch. It's my lunch. Lunch. Let's eat. People. My lovely is home. Let's eat. Dito ko na nilagay. Hindi ko na nilagay sa sayang gasin. Charot. Parang breakfast. My food is like breakfast. My lunch pala. My lunch is like breakfast. Carry boss na yan. Lalaway talaga ako sa pipino.
Jetzt wird getestet. Butterfisch, Strebellachs, Forelle und Lachsforelle. So, dann probiere ich jetzt erstmal die Lachsforelle. Ist das schon ein großer Unterschied zur normalen Forelle? Total lecker. Weil auch schön mild.
Okay.
Nicht überräuchert, nicht zu salzig. So, jetzt mal den Vergleich
Masarap.
mit der normalen Forelle.
Hindi ko nilagay lahat ng seasoning.
Weil die hat ja das gleiche Menge Rauch.
Konti lang.
Pino. Auf kleinerer Fläche bedeutet intensiverer Geschmack. Ja, schmeckt man auch. Aber auch super. Hier die Butterfisch. Und was ist jetzt so dein Highlight? Lecker, der Butterfisch. Habe ich so geräuchert noch nie gegessen. Wahnsinnsgeschmack. Ja, habe ich heute einiges gelernt. Also Halsräucher ist nicht nur konservieren, sondern gibt auch nochmal geschmacklich den Kick. Ich danke euch für die Rede. Ja, danke auch. Sehr gerne.
Man kann noch viel mehr haltbar machen durch diese wunderbare Methode des Räucherns. Tofu beispielsweise oder auch Fleisch. Das zeigt uns Björn Freitag heute.
Sie abgefangen haben. Wir sehen, das Gebäude ist ja richtig verfallen, aber überall ist Kunst entstanden. Hier haben wir ganz groß.
Ay, sa labas ako ngayon. Pumunta pa ako ng Aldi. Oh my God. Narinig niyo ba yan yung hangin? So, pauwi na ako guys sa bahay. At yeah, nandito banda sa ano na to. Kaya nakikita niyo dito sa side na to. Kasi nga yung hangin tsaka yung ulan is dito. So, ayan pa na yung Aldi guys. Anyway, it's a rainy season here in Germany and this is the weather guys. Every time mag-winter. Ganyan. So winter is coming and raining also every day. Yeah. So yes. Namili ako guys. Ayan. Sa bag na to. And yeah, I'll see you guys later in the house. Charot. For English. Salamat. Hello, hello. This is what I got from Aldi. It's so hot. It's so hot. Though it's just the wind is so strong. After jacket, another jacket.
It's raining.
Yeah, and it's raining. So yeah, this is what I got. I buy 2 croissant and vanilla stick. For tomorrow morning. This one, yeah? Like this, right? The butter spritz cake. The banana, because the banana is good. And I see this will be a look, oh.
What is this?
This chicken burger.
Chicken. Yeah.
I think it's good, yeah? I don't know. It's 6.
With some water.
Yeah. Chicken burger. Butter. I buy you water. Oh, this to you. The
Not
meat.
to cook.
Why? Not cook anymore. Let's cook here.
No, I'm not really fan of cook.
I told you not to cook. But I buy you that one. And then, for me not. What? Why?
Oh.
You did? Oh. Mozzarella. You have this one, yeah? You like it now?
No.
Oh.
For the people also long working, eh?
Oh yeah, even it's raining, yeah.
I think it will finish for Christmas time, yeah.
Yeah, because the snow is coming, and when the yeah, when snow coming,
the flies all died, the flowers.
yeah.
Ja, gut war man das Christmas time. Hier oben.
This. There's no cheese available, the cheese that we like, but we have here. This one is old, yeah? It's old. But this cheese is already old, it's still okay. It's so good on here, there's a lot. There's also another here. Oh,
It's close, ne? And close is okay.
Yeah, it's close. But this one is not.
Nee,
This is old already.
this is a close, okay.
Okay.
Haben wir noch Milch?
Ja.
Meine Güte.
Yeah, I got the milk and let's see what you like.
This is old, ne?
Yeah, that's old. This one is okay. You like cheese today?
Yeah, this is okay.
This one I think is good. Chicken burger for Rafael. Wait, there's still. Oh, this one is still good, Malabi. I don't put in the fridge. Oh, maybe not. It's still okay.
It's 10 days over.
Is that okay?
And it's dangerous now. I have problems with the tummy.
Oh yeah.
From the trash. One we eat, ne? Or two, ne?
One. Yeah. Wait.
One. Two, the trash is 10 days over more.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Better not eating. Yeah, because the leftover of this is all put in the trash. Medium. Okay. Let's cook bread and eat bread. Sayang ang chicken. Ang chicken wings na sayang. Okay. So, hi guys! Hello! Alam nyo ba, charot, kung anong oras na guys? It's already 9 in the night. Tapos, bigla ako nag-crave ng mangga. So, binuksan ko na pala siya guys. Ayan na siya. Oh. Kain tayo ng mangga guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit bigla akong nag-crave ng mangga. Pero ako dito guys, yung natira ko pang ginawa kong parang pipino salad. Ito yung nabili ko sa Aldi na na mangga na nakasale siya. Parang 99 cents na lang siya. Kasi usually guys, nasa almost 3 euro or going to 4 euro yung mga isang perasong mangga. Ganyan. Ito nakasale siya ng 99 at I'm very lucky kasi hindi siya sira. Sarap. Ewan ko na lang, Michelle, bakit ka naman hating gabi nag-crave ng mangga? Sarap. Ganito siya laki guys, oh. Kain tayo. Di ba dito na lang ako nagkumain? Sarap. Lagyan natin ng pipino. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Matamis na kasi yung mangga guys. Kasi nga, painubi siya. Ang sarap. Don't worry, ako lang naman ang kumakain. Ito. So, it's okay na kamayin. Sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Malapit ko na siya maubos. Yum, yum, yum.